Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Know Your AI back with another video. And today we're diving deep into something that's been on everyone's mind, the future of jobs. Yeah, we're talking AI, automation, robots, the whole 9 yards. Now, you know how much I love tech, but even I got to admit this whole AI thing is moving at warp speed. It's changing the job market faster than ever before. I mean, think about it. Self-driving cars, algorithms writing articles, robots flipping burgers. It's wild. So in this video, we're going to break it all down. We'll talk about the jobs that are most likely to be automated, the skills you need to thrive in the age of AI, and how you can future-proof your career. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the future, let's take a quick look at how technology has already transformed the way we work. I mean, think about it. Just a few decades ago, remote work was practically unheard of. Now it's becoming the norm thanks to high-speed internet and video conferencing. And then there's the rise of the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Fiverr, and Upwork have made it easier than ever to find freelance work. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, there's a whole world of opportunities out there. But here's the thing. These changes are just the tip of the iceberg. The real transformation is happening right now as AI and automation become more sophisticated. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. AI is going to replace some jobs. It's inevitable. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. First, let's talk about the jobs that are most at risk. Think repetitive, manual tasks, things like data entry, telemarketing, and even some manufacturing jobs. These are the areas where AI and automation can really shine, doing things faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than humans. Now, I know what you're thinking, but MKBHD, what about the people who work in those jobs? And it's a valid concern, but here's the thing. As some jobs disappear, new ones will emerge. It's always been that way with technological advancements. Okay, so we've talked about the jobs that are at risk. Now let's get to the good stuff, the jobs that are going to be in high demand in the age of AI. First up, we've got the AI and machine learning engineers. These are the folks who are building the algorithms, training the models, and basically making sure the AI revolution runs smoothly. Trust me, these guys are going to be in high demand. Then there's cybersecurity. With more and more data being stored online, cybersecurity is more important than ever. We need people who can protect our systems from hackers and keep our data safe. And of course, we can't forget about healthcare. As our population ages and medical technology advances, the demand for doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals is only going to increase. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what if I'm not a tech whiz? What skills do I need to thrive in the future? And that's a great question. The good news is, it's not all about coding and algorithms. There are plenty of soft skills that are going to be just as important, if not more so, in the age of AI. Think critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These are the skills that make us human, the things that AI can't replicate, at least not yet. But one of the biggest trends we're seeing in the world of work is the rise of remote work and the gig economy. And honestly, this is something I am really excited about. The traditional 9-to-5 office job is becoming a thing of the past. More and more people are choosing to work remotely, setting their own hours and being their own bosses. And with platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal, it's easier than ever to find freelance work in just about any field you can imagine. Now, I know we've talked a lot about AI replacing jobs, but here's the thing, it's also going to create a ton of new jobs, jobs that we can't even imagine yet. Think about it. When the internet first came out, did anyone predict that we'd have social media managers, YouTubers, or app developers? Probably not. So while it's impossible to predict exactly what new jobs AI will create, we can make some educated guesses. All right, so we've covered a lot of ground here. Now let's talk about what you can do to future-proof your career and thrive in the age of AI. First and foremost, embrace lifelong learning. The job market is constantly evolving, so you need to be willing to adapt and learn new skills throughout your career. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Take online courses, attend workshops, read books, whatever it takes to stay ahead of the curve. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to touch on something that's really important, the ethical implications of AI. There's a lot of debate about whether AI is going to make society better or worse. Some people believe that AI will free us from mundane tasks and allow us to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. Others are concerned that AI will lead to mass unemployment and exacerbate existing inequalities. And honestly, both sides have valid points. So, what does the future of work really look like? Well, it's hard to say for sure. But one thing's for certain, it's going to be different. AI is here to stay, and it's only going to become more integrated into our lives. The key is to stay informed, adapt, and embrace the change. What do you guys think? Are you excited about the future of work, or are you a little freaked out? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always,